Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica. This was brought in because a customer reported a brewing problem. So we replaced the pump and also did a tune-up, replacing the lower brew group, deep cleaning the machine, and replacing the screen and gasket in the upper brew assembly. So now we'll test it. Okay, and we'll do some steam and hot water also. It's steaming, but it's not as concentrated as it would be missing the steam tip here, which concentrates it to a small hole. But there it is. Alright. DeLonghi working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.